Yoruba philosophy and the Ifa tradition, Obatala is revered as the oldest among the Irúnmọlẹ and is affectionately called Baba Arúgbó. He was divinely assigned the role of Ajala-Alámọ, meaning the one who molds human figures and manifests them in the physical world. As the divine sculptor, Obatala carefully molds each individual's physical form, infusing each creation with unique qualities that reflect the infinite variety within humanity. Obatala's creative process teaches the sacredness of individual differences, emphasizing that diversity is intentional and divinely ordained. Through his work, he imparts the wisdom that all people, regardless of their physical appearance or abilities, are valuable and integral to the balance of the universe. This philosophy encourages acceptance, compassion, and understanding, affirming that differences among individuals are part of the divine plan and contribute to the beauty and harmony of existence. To honor Obatala's teachings and role, devotees offer items that symbolize purity, simplicity, and devotion, such as snail, pounded yam, and other white or neutral foods. These offerings reflect gratitude for his nurturing influence and commitment to upholding justice, wisdom, and harmony. Obatala's taboos, such as the prohibition of palm wine, further highlight his association with discipline, mindfulness, and clarity in thought and action. By acknowledging Obatala's role in shaping humanity and his lessons on individual differences, devotees honor his legacy as a source of wisdom, purity, and divine balance in the physical and spiritual realms.